What's up, guys? We're out here fishing on a pond that we have permission at, and we're gonna try and catch some large ones. I've already caught like 4 or 5. My cousin's caught 2, which he caught his first one, which is his first largemouth ever. So I'm gonna keep going and see if we can get one. Oh, another one. He got one already. Nice, dude.
Oh, this one's pretty.
Here, bring him up in here. All right. Show the camera real quick. Here we go. Little largemouth. All right. Oh, here he is. Ooh. Here, I'll get a picture with you with it. Here. Hold him real quick. Get him right in there. Okay. Oh, my phone's right here. There we go, guys. Nice little largie. What's up, guys? So we just got back from fishing, and at that pond we went to, the bite started to die down at like noon, middle of the day. So we got Axel over here who caught his first largemouth and like almost a 3-pounder, which was a very nice fish. He caught that on a Wacky Rig purple Senko that I make, the 4-inch purple Senkos. They're the Yum Dinger mold, actually. So that's really nice, and we're gonna head back there in the evening. So we'll catch you guys back there in the evening, and hopefully we could get on some more fish. All right, guys, me and Axel went fishing in the evening. I caught 2 and he caught 1. Wasn't the best in the evening, but overall, today I caught 30 fish. He caught, what, how many did you catch?
24.
24, so we caught quite a few fish today. So, yeah, thanks for watching this video. We're going to hit it again tomorrow in the morning, and yeah, so thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.